Okay, second game for tonight and final game for the week between Sky Team, mga Sky Blue po yan, Sky Blue, Team Sky Blue or Sky Team, the Blue Boys, versus yan po ang masasabi natin ang In-Flights. Clad po yan po ng white and gold combination. Ayan. In-Flights versus Sky Team. Up next. Halo. Okay, you're watching right now the final game for today between Sky Team and In-Flights. This game is brought by SPP Doha and PSB Basketball League. Sampo natin po dyan ang Team LBC Harang Padala at Thread and Needles. Ito po ang liga naman lumilipad, ang Aviation Friendly League dubbed as the Flying League. Second game na for the day and final game for the week between In-Flights and of course ang Sky Team. Okay, Yambao and Company versus Ian and Company. Okay, nice one, rebound, hop. They're gonna jump again, re-jump. Hello, good evening. Oh, ito, nasa vlogging. Nasa, Newton ako, Newton. Mami ata. Wala akong naka-engage kasi. Naka-engage kasi yung Magkano bibigay mo? Sa akin? Wow. Kasi, patatalo bukas sa iskat. Sige. Parang alam ko yung Ha? Ako, mga 9 pa to. Sige. Ingat, boss. Saan tayo? Macdo? Macdo tayo ka. Macdo. Hindi naman nangyayari yung boss yun. Tsaka nililigaw nyo ng parati. Ito, pupunta dyan. Nililigaw nyo ako. Kaya ayoko nang pumunta dyan. Nililigaw nyo parati. Pati pa makuwi. Bahirap na. Baby. Sige na. Pusod na lang. Baby, naka-duty ako dito. Sige nga, naka-duty ako dito. Nasa second week ako, nasa second game ako. Boss. Sige, boss. Sige. Out of bounds. Sige. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Game tayo ngayon. Okay, second game po tayo. 4-0 po tayo. The score is 4-0. Ayan. Pumasok ang 3 points ni Borlasa, number 18. 3 points. Balik muli po tayo ngayon. That's Yambao, number 20. Mga Sky Blue. Siena, number 2. Siena, turn around. Pass, pops up. Yes, sirree. Number 15. Back-to-back basket made now. Di Makali. 33. Nandun Siena. Mali. Siena, hinabol ng bola. Siena, number 2. Siena, 2 points. The score right now is 8-3 at 7 minutes 57 remaining sa ating larong ito. Ian Villanueva, number 88. Pinasa. Pops up. Nope. Binababa na ng Bakiano pong tumira po noon, number 15. Good ball. Walang tama. Good ball. Bakiano. Ian Villanueva. Di Makali to Bakiano. 2 points and 1 play pa binigay. Bakiano, number 9, shooting for 2. Number 9, Bakiano, shooting for 2. Sorry, shooting for a bonus free throw rather. Number 9, Bacchiano. Pops up. Whoop. It's out. Rebound by number 15. Ayan, si number 30. Number 30, shake and pick. Sora. 2-point Sora. Okay, di makali na calling now the shots. Ano muna daw tayo? Sway-sway muna raw. Dahan-dahan daw muna daw tayo. Sabi, Ian, binababa ang bola. Ian, hinahanap si Barredo. Ian, 2. Di makali. Ian again. Pops up. Number 9. Bacchiano. Kapos. Number 18. 2 points. Nice shot by number 18. The score rate is 10-7. 6:55 remaining. Shena, binababa ang bola. Shena, pass. Pops up. Kapos. Pero may foul. Foul po. Jersey number 18 called for the foul. That's Sora number 7. Pops up. It's in. Second shot Sora number 7. Number 7 Sora pops up. Nope. Rebound by number 18. That's Borlasa. Borlasa. Di makali. Kinuha yung bola. Di makali. Di makali. Shake and pick. Nope. Ayaw niya. Pops up. Ian Villanueva. Patay ang butike. Bacchiano. Nando si Borlasa. 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 Naipit ang konti. Borlasa. Up is a foul called. The score right now is 11-7 at 6:47 remaining. Ian Villanueva. Ian. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Borlasa. Borlasa, 3 points. The score is 11-10. Lamang po ng isa ang the Sky Team. Yambao, palpal ni Barredo. Intercepted naman ni De Guzman. Pops up. Short step. Nope. One more time. Di makali. Walang pinasahan. Masyado mababa sabi nila. Too much slow. Too much slow sabi nila. Too much slow brother. Okay, ito yung mga shock troopers dumating na rin. And yung mga shock troopers ng blue team dumating na rin po sila. Mga shock troopers. Yambao to De Guzman, number 30, binababa na naman nila. Shena, nope, ayaw. Yambao, thinking 3, ayaw. Rap play. De Guzman, nope. 3-second violation. Too much thinking, brother. Problem. Okay. Ian Villanueva. Mr. Di Makali, 33, Di Makali. Di Makali 33, shake and pick. Nakuha ng pick. Pops up, number 18. Nope, it's Shena. Nice one by Shena. Shena, binababa ang bola. Shena, lost the ball. Same ball po tayo. Shena, lost the ball almost. Pero touch last by Di Makali. Shena. Kick pass. No, nandun si Di Makali. Nice interception. 2 points Di Makali. And change player po tayo. Change 5 tayo. Okay, may dumating na rin sila. May mga shock troopers dumating na para sa Sky Team. Please take note po sila po nagbigay po ng unang talo sa The Hub last week. Okay, and of course, Campbell po tayo. Ilan lang ano? Okay, okay. Isa lang ano. Yambao! Top board! Wala nang gumagawa nun, sir. Top board, wala na. Old school na yun. Okay, Mercado. Pareño, 2 points Pareño. Basic play ni Pareño, pasok. Number 25, binababa ang bola. 25. 25. De Guzman, pops up for 3. No. Again, nakuha na rin Pareño. Binababa ang bola ni Pareño. Ayan, in place on the run. Mercado. Pareño, 2 points. Okay, don't look now. It's a 3-point advantage now ang in-flights. Wala na Yanesa, number 28. Against Akain. De Guzman again, number 30, De Guzman against Mercado, De Guzman, nakalusot. Simon, number 14, nakuha ni Pareño yung bola. Pareño, binato kay Mercado. Mercado, ayun! No! Break! Timeout! Sky Team. Nag-time out po ang mga Blue Boys. The score right now is 16-13. Lamang na po ang in-flights. Time remaining is 3 minutes 20 remaining. Tumatakbo. Para sa inyo. Hindi na budget na kasi. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes remaining po tayo. Okay, 3 minutes 24 remaining. Okay, 3 minutes 24 remaining po tayo. Sky Team on the inbound. Number 25 to 30. 30, binababa ang bola. De Guzman. Pops. Uy! What's that? Offensive foul call. Illegal pick ang ginawa nun, boy. Problem, my friend. Balik tayo. Ito na, Kain. 27. Pareño. Mungkal. Lopit Simon. Binababa ang bola. 25. De Guzman. Pops up. Binato na lang. Wala pa rin. Salting. Nakuha yung bola. Salting on the run. Salting. Whoop, pinasa kay Pareño. And one play made. Warning for penalty, Team Sky Team. Pareño shooting for 2. Pops up. Okay, bonus free throw made. 2 minutes 44 remaining. 6 na po kalamangan ng in-flights. De Guzman, number 30, thinking 3. Ayaw nyo muna. Number 30, pops up. Nope, it's Lacanilao. Driving strong, pops up. Nope, rebound 25. De Guzman, nakalusot ng konti. Floater shot, pasok ang bola. Pareño, binababa ang bola. Pareño. Mungkal, nope, it's Lacanilao. 3-on-2 situation. Lacanilao. Foul on Pareño for sure. Lacanilao shooting for 2. Lacanilao shooting for 2 po tayo. It's out. Nope. Second throw, jumper's ready. Second shot, jumper's ready po tayo. Lacanilao, second throw, pops up. It's in. A minute and 57 remaining sa ating first quarter action. 16 na sa score po natin. Akain for 3. Nope. Rebound, Mungkal. High flyer, Mungkal. 2 points. Mungkal, 2 points. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Number 20, binababa ang bola. Pops up. Ayaw. Driving strong. Lacanilao for 3. No. Rebound, Mungkal. What? Talon. Mungkal, naka-rebound. The Guzman, against Mungkal. Mungkal, lost the ball. Binato kay Mercado ang bola. Pareño again. Pareño. Almost. Akain. Mungkal. Shake and pick sa ilalim. Ayun! Akain naka-rebound. 2 points Akain. Sorry. Akain, 2 points. Living up to its name, the mga Akain brothers. Genesa. Simon for 3. Tapos. Again, on the run. Mag-isa si Mercado. 2 points. Timeout call for sure. Hindi, ayaw. No timeout. Sorry. No timeout. Number 30. Guzman. Lakalilaw for 3. Palakas. Mercado. Salting. Ayun, ang ganda. Nice. Nice play. Nice final play. Highlights po yan. Pang-release yan. No look pass kay Akain. 2 points ang ginawa nila. This is your host with you, Arvin G Vlogs with you. You're watching right now the second game and final game for the week between Inflights and Sky Team. The score is 27-16. An 11-point lead. Okay, si babagang pinapasabi, shoutout po kay Robas Player of the Game, si Fred Dimakali. Oy, Dimakali. May binabati si babagay siya, Robas Player for the Game ka daw, putya. Oh, Robas oh. Shoutout po kay the Durex Durable Player of the Game, si Mr. Dimakali. Pabira. Sabi niya, hindi ako sabi niya. James. Yambao, eto naman sila. On the attack, the Guzman. Yambao, number 30. Thinking 3, ayaw. Siena, pumposisyon. Siena. Nice one for Siena. Kick pass. The Guzman. Malakas. Pow! Dimakali. Tawa si Andra. Tawa siya yan, si Anacleto. Sora, held ball situation. Nice one. Nice clamping defense. Ginawa ng Inflights. Parang gato ang bola. Ang kamay. Borlasa on the run. Borlasa to 5. Philip 5. Dimakali to Borlasa. Dimakali again. Dimakali. 5 for 3. Nope. Siena naka-rebound. Kick pass. Nope. It's almost Yambao. Dish of pass. Malakas ang tira. Dimakali hounded by two blue shirts. And to Siena. To 5 rather. 5 to make Dimakali. Dimakali. Pops up. Bang! Number 25, 3 points. Siena, number 2. Number 2, Siena. Nice what a play, pero sayang. Never get the bounce inside. Borlasa. Nope. Ouch. Dimakali called for the foul. Sora inbounding. Kay De Guzman na naman. De Guzman, number 30, inbounding. Binababa ang bola kay Siena. Siena pops up. Malakas. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Inflights. Binababa ang bola. 8:33 remaining. 5. Borlasa. Borlasa lost the ball. Yambao inbounding. De Guzman. Binababa ang bola. Siena, number 2. Siena. Kick pass. De Guzman. No pitch. Number 30. Kapos. Nice. Rebound by Barretos. And si 5. Binababa ang bola ni 5. 5. Binababa ang bola. Pops up. Nope. Sora nag-rebound. De Guzman against 5. 5. De Guzman. 5. 2 points. Boss, shoutout kay Mr. Mongkal. Sabi ni Bobby Akain. Nice one by Di Macali. Ni Bobby Boy Aspan. Shoutout po kay Mongkal. Aspan, shoutout sa'yo. Binabati ka na Aspan. Oh. Siena. Simon. De Guzman. De Guzman. Nope. Rebound again by Di Macali. 5 against Siena. Pops up. Nope. Okay, Sora. 2 points. Ano, so bakit pala ano yun ni Garcia last week? Di Macali. Pops up for 3. Yes, sirree! 3 points. 3 points, Di Macali. Again, lamang na po ng 15 po ang kalamangan ng in-flights. Siena. Wala. Row foul. Nice one. Nice recovery. Siena, kapos pa rin. Siena, good ball. Intercepted almost. Pops up. Nope. Siena again. Yambao. Good ball. Last touch by in-flights. De Guzman. Driving strong. Pops up. 2 points. Timeout called by in-flights. Dito tayo. Basic. Oh, basic. Oo. Hindi na lang dapat tumating pang kaya kinakalaan nila boss, pag kulang sila, ang daming puntos bibigay sa in-flights.
May withdraw?
May penalty sila. Pag 5 ang dumating, di 5 bibigay sa kanila 5 puntos. Mas baka dumating sila at least iwas sa penalty. Si Garcia naman injury yun sumakit yung tuhod ng isang tuhod niya nakaranin yun. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 6:02 remaining. Back to the ball game tayo. Wala pa, isa pa. Defense blue. White ball, offense, defense non-blue. Shout out kay Sky Team. Sabi ni Bots Barce. Pops up. Di Macali, 3 points. Ayan, Siena naman, Siena. 2 points Siena. 2 points Siena. 5. Di Macali again. 24-38. Pops up again. Nope. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. De Guzman. 2 points si Guzman. 26-30. 12 point din kalamangan. 12 point din po kalamangan po ng team in-flights over the Sky Team. The Blue Boys on the deficit. A 12-point deficit. Borlasa. Malakas. Siena again. Nope. It's foul. Ouch. Change 5. Okay, change 5 po tayo. Okay, labas muna. Talagang 5 talaga sila. 5 pumalit. Sa kabila po si Ian and Company with the Kain Brothers. With Mungkal. Sa kabila naman po si number 25, 14. Janessa, Real at si number 25. Malapad. Mungkal. Mungkal. No good. Rebound. Nice rebound by the Blue Boys. Laki nilaw. Number 8, Janessa, 2 points. 2 points, Janessa. 10 po kalamangan, 28-38. 4 minutes, 37 remaining sa ating larong ito. Ian. Akain Brothers. Akain, driving strong. Nope. Laki nilaw. Laki na malapad. Kiniliwa, kinanan. Nope. And one play sana. No good. Bacchiano called for the foul. Bacchiano called for a foul. And laki now, number 15 shooting for 2. We're live always sa aking FB channel, Martin Everizo Vlogs. Please do like and subscribe po sa aking channel. And of course, RNG Vlogs also sa aking YouTube channel. Itong game na to will be posted also. A link will be posted also later. Pops up. Both basket made. 30-38. Salting. Ian Villanueva. Binababa ang bola. Driving strong. Bacchiano. Nope. 3-second violation ang tinawag. Malapad. Real, no traveling violation naman si Real. Real call for the travel. Approaching 3-minute mark. Mungkal pops up. Yes, sirree. Favorite shot. Favorite shot ni Mungkal yan. Saan sila Benji daw? Sabi ni Birse. Baka naka-duty, sir. Cake pass kay Salting. Naku po. Hindi. Inano muna. Inintay muna. Kiambaw. Lakalinaw, rather. Lakalinaw, 2 points. Again, ayaw na. Wag mo na raw. Sabi, wag mo na raw. City is na tayo. Lamang tayo. Sabi na, lamang doon tayo. Okay, tayo na. Mungkal. Shake and fake. Mungkal. Number 16. Mungkal. Ayun! Akain Brothers, 2 points. Saan sila Benji daw? Sabi ni Bob Berse. Pops up. Malakas. Nako. Blue ball. Same ball. Laki nila, binabantay ni Borla. Bacchiano. Nice one. Pinas na naman kay Ian Villanueva. Wala. Bacchiano. Wala pa rin. Nice rebound by number 40. Pero may foul called. Foul called on Bacchiano for sure. Nasaan daw si Benji? Sabi ni Bob Barce. Malapad, 25 against Ian. Malapad against Ian. Lakalinaw. Janessa. Nice one kay Simon for 3. Nope. Akain Brothers. Bacchiano. Okay, Bacchiano 2 points. Lakalinaw again. Against Bacchiano. Lakalinaw. Side step move and it's white ball. Shoutout kay Ian na iniwan ang Team Boleros. Salting for 2. Nope. Genesa. Palpal. Swiped away. Swatted by Salting. Mungkal. 2 points Mungkal. Laki nilaw. Kiniliwa kanan, kaliwa. Pasok ang boda. Ian. Akai Brothers, 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. 34-48. Labang ng 14 ang Flights. Laki nilaw for 3. Bang! Okay, that's it. Laki nilaw final shot of the first half. Laki nilaw 3 points. The score is 38-48. Sorry, 37-48 rather. An 11-point lead advantage by Inflights over the Sky Team or the Blue Boys. This is your Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Yan po ang Team LBC, Haring Padala at Thread Needles. Sama po natin po dyan ang SBB Pilipinas at PSBG Basketball League. And final game for this week now is ongoing between Sky Team, the Blue Boys, versus the Inflights. Halftime po tayo ngayon. The score so far is 38-7-48. Standby po tayo. Sabi ni Babagay Dumakali, Robust player of the game and Jurex player of the game po si Dumakali. Sa kabila no, sabi po ni Barce, shoutout do kay Ian na inang iwan po ng Boleros. Ayos. And shoutout din po sa contact center na nagpapaing muna. Okay. Pops up. Halftime po tayo. Antay-tele po tayo dyan. Donong Rivera is watching already. Standby na po tayo sa second half action. Halftime na kasi tayo mga boss. We'll be back. Pops up. Pasok. Standby lang po tayo dyan. Both teams, team captain po pinapatawag muna po sa bench, sa committee table. Pasok. Pasok yun. Pasok yun. Gosip pa nga. Okay, meron po dito pala. Sabi rito. Okay, sabi ni John Roy Wick, Bob Viva Espan, itulog mo nilang daw yan, ha ha ha. Dahil siya umano siya kay Mongcal, bumati siya kay Mongcal. Okay, game, back to the ball game. Second half now start right now. Second half now start right now. 37-48 po ating score. 11-point advantage po ang Team Inflight. Okay, third quarter start right now. Okay, si Mercado inbounding para sa in-flights. Wala na. Hindi, 1.5 pala. 1.5 na rating ko. Mercado, number 4, inbounding. Hop! Teka lang. Okay, mali pala. Repeat. Wrong. Blue ball daw pala, blue ball. Sabi, blue ball daw. Mali. Repeat again, repeat. Okay, blue ball pala dapat na magpo-possess. Okay. De Guzman, Siena, driving strong. Nope, it's pops up. No good. Rebound battle by Mercado. Kick pass. Nando si Yambao. Nice one. Yambao. Nagmamadali. Ito na. Yambao against Borlasa. Yambao. De Guzman. Yambao again for 3. Pops up. Nope. Borlasa again. Borlasa. Good ball. Borlasa, 2 points. Borlasa, 2 points. Baby Espan, itulog mo na doon, sabi ni John Wick. May tao pa. And Siena, Real, nakalusot. Siena, nahuli. Foul. Nice try ba Real, Di Macali. Sinasabi ni Babagay na, alam mo na, Durex player of the game, tsaka Robas player of the game. Mercado, number 4. Si Pareño po posisyon. Borlasa. Mercado, kick pass kay Borlasa. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Siena. Nice one by Mercado. Hop! Foul. Jersey number 2 called for a foul. Sorry, jersey number 20 called for a foul. Off the hustle of Mercado. And Pareño, double teamed. Pareño, kick pass kay Di Macali. Pops up. Malakas. Borlasa. Di Macali, Pareño, and one play pa binigay. Nice shot by Pareño. Pinapakita na Pareño sino veterano sa kanilang dalawa. It's Pareño shooting for the bonus free throw. Okay, substitution muna po tayo. Siena, labas muna. Laki nila, papasok na rin. Nagpasok ng power forward ang Sky Team. Para nyo, both basket mates already. Basket completed, 3-point play completed. Balik muna sa laro po natin. That's Yambao, number 20. Yambao, kick pass. Nandun si Pareño. Ayun, si Borlasa. Wala kasampasan ni Mercado. Mali, X. Wrong. Babagay Julius. Di Makali, shout out. On and off the court. Sabi ni Babagay. Pops up. Kapos. Hop, si Daisy, white ball. Okay, Di Makali for the inbound. Then Mercado will receive the ball. Okay, it's good. Di Makali and Mercado. Shoutout from Babagay, sabi niya. And Pareño fadeaway shot. 2 points. Favorite jumper. Turn around jumper. Jumper fadeaway by Pareño is good. 37-55. Pops up. No rebound. Real. Naku, 2 points. Real 2 points. A 16-point advantage still by in-flights over the Sky Team. And nice one, Barredo. And it's a white ball. White ball tayo. Same ball po tayo. Substitution made now. Number 25 in. Yambao out. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle by Simon. Di Guzman. 2 points. Di Makali. Receiving the ball to Mercado again. Mercado, binababa ang bola. 6:31 remaining. Paredos. Di Makali. Pareño, fadeaway shot. Hindi pumubra. One more time. Pareño. Mercado. Di Makali. Hoy! Huli ka, boy. Balik muli po sa Blue Boys ang bola. Sky Blue again. Babagay ang score po natin, 41-55. Laman po ang in-flights. Pops up. Blooper shot. Rebound. Paredo. Malakas ang pasa. Balik sa blue ang bola. Okay. Substitution made daw Siena in. 7 out. De Guzman, number 30, receiving the ball from Lacalinaw. Number 30. Siena driving strong. Foul. Veteran move. Ginawa ni Siena. Veterano move yan. Veterano brandy of the game. Babagay. Shoutout po kay kay Di Makali. Off and on the court. Ayan. Mahal naman. Okay. Oo nga, pagkatarero siya. Siena off the ring. And Pareño. Binababa ang bola. Nope. Barredo, tanggap. Borlasa. Pops up. Offline. Blue ball. And timeout call by in-flights. This is your Aviation Friend League, dubbed as the Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC, Haring Pada, Thread and Needles. Sama na po natin po dyan ang SBB Philippines, SBB Doha, at PSBG Basketball League. Of course, you're watching the final game for this week between in-flights and the Sky Team. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Sky Team looking now for win number 2. And also Impreso looking for win number 2. Back to the ball game muli po tayo yun. 5 minutes remaining third quarter action. 41-55. Malapad, number 25. Laki nila, pops up. Bang! Sweet shot. Malapad against sa Mercado. Mungkal. Binababa ang bola. Labang lang libang isa, Mungkal. Mungkal, shake and pick. Mungkal. Hop. Still completed. Salting. Salting. Nope. It's malapad. 2 points. 9-point lead. 9-point lead. 9-point lead. Akain. Receiving the ball. Hop. Good ball. Di Guzman again. Di Guzman. Laki nilaw. It's Siena. Top of the key. No good. Siena again. 2 points Siena. Real intercepted. Leia, no good. And up. White. Blue ball. Blue ball. 48-55. Sab muna po tayo. Dimakali. Pasok muna para kay Mercado. Laman po ng 7 ang Kalamangan. Lakanilaw. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Siena muna. Siena, ginagala ang bola. Siena. Di Guzman. Pops up. Bang! Don't look now. It's a 5-point lead ball game. Akain. Dimakali. Nakalusot. Dimakali. Running. Gunning. Popping. Nope. Rebound. Akain. Mungkal. Foul.
Foul committed. Jersey number 2.
Injured, pre?
Billy Boy. That's your third personal foul.
Sige. Ba't parang kunin mabata nyo yun? Parang naka-duty ba? Doon nakaranin ko, ang dami nila. Ayun, parang
may
kulang.
duty yung iba.
Gilvan. Kaya.
Bago yan.
Oo nga eh. Ayun! Akain! Ha?
May pamalit na kami.
Oo. Yun yung next generation ng mechanics. Ang totosin. Lahat ba mga niyan? Mechanicals din? Sa hangar din? Yung mga yan?
Hindi, nag-iwalay kami ng mechanic.
Hindi, itong mga bata ngayon, yung mga bago.
Binuuto ni Michael.
Oo.
Tapos yung isa, ulit yung kay Jess.
Oh, yung sina Ying. Sina
Yung
Ying.
dante rin.
Oh.
Wala, mas bakasyon ako, nilagay ako dito. Ito sabi ko.
Pero hangar lahat yan yung mga bata.
Hangar lahat yan.
Mga batang mechanicals talaga. Binigla yung hub. Yung hub, di ba? Yung ginawa sa hub, di ba? Talagang shock trooper talaga ginawa niya. Hindi handa lahat yun. Ginawa nila. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. The score is 50-55. Laman pa rin po ng 5 ang in-flights from an 18-point advantage. Mukhang this game is getting interesting now. We have a ball game. Ladies and gentlemen, Lakain, Salting, Dimakalib, Jonas, 2 points, Manapa 2 points. Manapa 2 points, Sir Owens also is watching already. And Siena, tiningkayaran lang. Sora, pops up, nope. Again, Mungkal, naka-rebound. Mungkal, wrong ball. And Di Guzman, 2 points. Five-point advantage. Dimakal nakalusot. Manapat for 3. Dang! Manapat, 3 points. Pamatay sunog. Manapat, 3 points. And Di Guzman, nakalusot. Ayaw. Malakas ang pasa. Mungkal. No! Malapad. Nice one. Di Guzman pops up. Nope. Malapad. Pops up. No good. Manapat. Akain. Mungkal. Double team. Foul.
Jersey number 21.
Warning for penalty, Sky Team. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. And Akain to Salting. Pops up. Jonas. Again, back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back field goals by Jonas. Yanesa. Shena. No good. Manapat. Pops up. Oy, 2 points. Manapat, 2 points. Di Makali, sorry. Out of bounds. That's Di Makali, rather. Sub tayo. Substitution po tayo ngayon. Sochi na pre. And si Di Makali. Pops up. Nope. Rebound Shena. Nagmamadali. Shena. 2 points. Tako hindi. And good ball. Save ball. Di Makali. Zigzag. And 1 play mabinigay. Di Makali, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. Possible 3 points. 52-67. Balik na naman sa 15 kalamangan ng in-flights. Nope. Rebound by Sora. Yanesa. Shena. 2 points. Sora. Pareño. Pops up. 2 points. And that's it. Okay, after 3 quarters, laman pa rin po ang in-flight. The score is 54-69. 4th quarter coming up after these moments. Shoutout sa contact center na nagpapahinga ngayon. Nag-scatter silang yun. Babalik po kami po after these messages. Sakay sa atin, ma'am? Sakay sa atin? Saan? Iloilo? Saan sa Bisaya? Maraming kagayan. Okay, back to the ball game. Mercado for the inbound. 54-69 ang score. Pacquiano, number 9. Pareño. Pacquiano again. And Borlasa. Pasok ang bola. Borlasa to 3 points. Borlasa. Di Guzman, number 30. Shena. Against two white shirts. Shena. No good. Rebound battle. Siena again. Dukot. Wala pa rin. Mercado. Nakuha ang bola. Borlasa. De Guzman. Daipit. Lakanilaw. Driving strong. Sora. 2-point Sora. (56-7-1) a 15-point lead again. Kalamangan po. 9 minutes remaining. Mercado setting up the play. Barredo. Nope. In and out the ring. De Guzman pops up. Nope. Rebound by Sora. Almost. Barredo against Sora. Hop. Muntik na. Mercado. Bacchiano. It's Pareno. 2 points. Of course. Pareno, basic. Sora. Naku, sayang. Siena, number 2, shooting for 2. Siena, number 2, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Jumpers ready for Siena. Siena, second shot. Nope. Rebound battle won by Pareno. Foot race. Pareno, pops up, Mercado, in and out. Bacchiano. Pareno, 2 points, Pareno. Siena, power move. Sora for 3. Nope. Rebound, Nakalinaw. Real, Siena, 2 points. 7:32. And nakuha ni Real ang bola. Sora. De Guzman. Sora. Nakalinaw for 3. Rebound by Pareno. Bacchiano. Number 9. And Borlasa labas. Real. Naku. Borlasa again. Borlasa on the attack. Borlasa. Nope. Rebound Siena. De Guzman. Real 2 point. Naku po. Lakinaw. Wala pa rin. No foul. Borlasa 2 points. De Guzman. Lakinaw. 2 points. Pareno. Inbounding. Borlasa. 6 minutes remaining. Mercado. Pops up. Nope. Rebound Siena. Siena driving the ball. No, walang bola. Borlasa. Pow! Real. Sky team called for a timeout. The score is 59-77. An 18-point advantage being posted by the In-Flights.
Napalayo po ang labanan, mga kaibigan.
Oo nga, lumayo po kal...
Wala na, nagkalat na si Siena. Galing sana siya to.
Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya mag-isa. Hindi ko para mag-isa ka.
Magaling pa rin talaga siya.
Yung ano yung tribe niya. Basic. Tuloy pa na yun sa mentality. Next season na kayo.
Ano kasi? Second week.
Ano kasi boss eh, 2 o'clock AM kasi simula niyo, kaya hindi ko ma-prepare. Alauna. Natatapos putok na yung araw eh, may pasok na ako.
Tama, may pasok ng umaga.
Oo, 5 o'clock pasok. Okay, back to the ball game tayo, tara. Borlasa. Borlasa.
Nagpaliga ako ng ano,
Pops up.
sa harap.
Pasok. Second shot ni Borlasa. 5:55 remaining. 55, 78, 59. A 19-point lead advantage. And pops up. 20-point lead advantage already. 59-79. Sky Team on the deficit. 20 points deficit. Yambao, 20. Yambao. Driving strong. Naipit. Lakanilaw. Lost the ball. Ian Villanueva ng and Borlasa for 3. Malakas. Again, Ian. 5-19. Manapat. Nope. Rebound, Real. Malapad. Malapa, Yambao. Nope. Borlasa. Foul.
Committed jersey number 21 advance. Pangalawa na. Substitution.
Okay, shoutout po talaga kay Dimakali. Robust player of the game in and out of the court. Babagay, sabi ni babagay. Marami na. And Borlasa, second throw, jumpers ready. 4:59 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. And malapad. Nagbabantayan sila. Malakas. Good ball. Nakuha ni Borlasa ang bola. Borlasa, Mercado, Sora. Malakas. Rebound. Foul ang ginawa. Malapad, call for the foul. Malapad, call for the foul. Borlasa shooting for 2 at 4 minutes 42 remaining. Fourth quarter action. And Ian also, may ipapashoutout sa'yo dito. Dating kakapit mo sa Boleros, nang iwan ka daw. Borlasa, second throw, jumpers ready, pops up. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Hop. Lost the ball. Borlasa, kiniluwa, pasok. One more time. Hoy! Di umabot. Di umabot. White ball. Ian, inbounding. Mercado. Ian again. Ian. Borlasa, pasok ang bola. 2 points lang. Long 2. 3 minutes 57 remaining. Yambao, number 20. Yun. Wala. Mercado again. Ian Villanueva, 2 points. And a timeout call by the Sky Team. Timeout again, Blue Boys. 3 minutes 40 remaining, 59-84. Second, okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Yanesa. Malapad. Yanesa. pops up. Nope. Rebound by Barredo rather. Bacchiano. Ian. 3:21 remaining. 5, Philip. Nope. Simon. Yambao, kaliwa. Nope, it's no good. Simon. Yan, Simon, number 14. Kapos. Rebound by Barredo. And Ian again. Ian. Malakas. Lost the ball. Di na control. 2 minutes 42 remaining. Yanesa, Borlasa, Sora, malapad for 3. Malakas. Sora naka-rebound. 2 points Sora 2 points. Ayaw mo na, ayun na. 2 minutes 15 remaining. Bacchiano. Ian. Borlasa, pops up. Pasok na naman ang bola kay Borlasa. Malapad. Yambao. Sora, pops up. Wala. Rebound, Borlasa. Kick pass kay Ian. Nope, natin si Yambao. Yambao, binababa ang bola. Yambao. Walang pinasaha. Tumama. Hindi tumama kay Sir Philip. Tumama. Nahawakan daw. Nahawakan yung bola. Malapad. 25. Sora. Yambao. No good. And mali pinasahan. Yanesa. Nope, it's Yambao, wala pa rin. Sora, 2 points and 1 play. Sora, 2 points and 1 play. Sora, bonus free throw. 1 minute 12 remaining. Pops up. Nope, rebound by number 22. Ian binababa ang bola. Ian Villanueva, binababa ang bola.
1 minute, 14 shot clock.
A minute 14. Uy! Offensive foul on Borlasa. Mukhang lumabas yung mga siko. Tabi lang muli mo. Tabi lang. Sora inbounding. 50% safety passing na lang po tayo. Mas maganda. 63-86. Safety na lang tayo. Sora. Yanesa. Running shot. Nope. Rebound. Ian. Nope. Bacchiano.
Warning for penalty.
26 seconds remaining. Sora, 2 points. Cinco. Borlasa, pops up. Bang! Okay, that's it. Congratulations. And win number 2, picked up by the In-Flights. You have watched now the final game for this week between In-Flights and Sky Team. In-Flights, congratulations po for winning the game. Maraming salamat po. And be back again po sa ating liga po this coming Friday again for another basketball action in the AFL League, dubbed as the Flying League. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat.